This is Contenders Hobby 32. "68 and a half hours. 68 and a half hours. I might see cracked ice auto. I might see cracked ice auto. 68 hours. Are there breakers out there that do 70-hour weeks? There has to be, right? 60 hours. 60. 68 and a half. "68 and a half this week. Since Tuesday. 68 and a half hours since Tuesday. It's incredible. Incredible. 68 and a half. Tell me that's not incredible. Does anyone not think it's incredible? $199. Westbrook. First auto. Base auto of Dalen Terry for the Bulls. Martin. Scott Barry has sons. Barry might be one of the people more annoying than you, though. That's the crazy thing. Crazy industry. Crazy. One annoying guy to another. LeBron James to 49 for the Lakers. Blake Wesley, variation for the Spurs. We might have a cracked ice auto early. Just be for Martin. I want Martin to hit something, honestly. Do it for Martin. Good luck. Ooh, it's for Nas. Cracked ice of Dwayne Wade for the Heat. I think that's the second for Nas that I hit for him with this. Nice piece. Really nice piece. Proud of Nas. $249. Drew Holiday. Middleton. Nice piece. There's the setup man. Danny Green. Pick the next one. 99. Levine. The halfway point. Guess the last out of the break for 16. Nice. To 49. Wi-Fi. Walker Kessler. Nice hit for the Jazz. Nice signature. Nice, beautiful card. They did it unbelievable with the 49s and the 99s. Unbelievable. Incredible what they did with them. There's Musa. Clippers. There's buyers out there for that Kessler. There's buyers. Legit buyers, too. Legit. I don't think Wi-Fi sells, though. That's a lot of our foreign guys. I don't feel like they sell. It's It's great. They're PCers. They're trues. Like Glory doesn't sell. Bernie doesn't sell. Afnu, I don't think he really sells. Like they just PC everything. There's Dyson Daniels. Howdy. I read it 249. Take the next one. Tim Hardaway to 99. Warriors. Tim Hardaway's Jr. 199. Alright, we'll keep moving. Someone kill Elite, honestly. Someone just kill Elite. Where are the Elite collectors? Alright, Nas would be the sort of the way it's sick piece. Proud of you.